Now, if you're having sunburn and you just take this thing and apply on your face, it is not going to work for you like that. This looks like aloe vera gel, but this right here is not aloe vera gel.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow.
Have you been trying to use aloe vera gel on your face to clear sunburn, to clear acne, or even as a moisturizer, and all it does to your face is to dry out your face and to even make your face to feel darker than it used to be? In today's video, I am going to be telling you why that is happening, and I'm going to be telling you the right type of aloe vera gel for you to use that is actually going to work for you. You are going to find out that what you have been buying as aloe vera gel all the while is not really aloe vera gel. So if you have been wanting to know how to use aloe vera gel on your face to get maximum results, then this is the right video for you. Remember to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and let's have a conversation in the comment section. Now, aloe vera gel or aloe vera plant as a whole is very rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Aloe vera gel helps to heal sunburn, it helps with acne, it helps with inflammatory acne, it helps to reduce the appearance of aging, it slows down the signs of aging like fine lines and wrinkles. It helps with dry skin. If you have a dry skin, then you should be using aloe vera. If you have oily skin, then you should be using aloe vera gel because it is going to help to regulate sebum production on your face or on your skin wherever you use it. Aloe vera gel helps to exfoliate surface dead skin cells. Aloe vera gel helps to minimize dark spots. Aloe vera gel helps to soothe, calm irritated skin. It also helps to gently brighten the skin. But for a lot of people, they do not reap the benefit of aloe vera gel because you have been using the wrong type of aloe vera gel. Secondly, you have not been using it well. The one that you even have, you have not been using it very well. So I'm going to tell you how to use this particular type of aloe vera gel. Now, this is the popular type of aloe vera gel that has been selling in the market. Like, this is the type you are going to get, especially in my country. This is what you are going to get. Now, this has not been working for you for two reasons. One, you are not using it well. Two, this is not exactly aloe vera gel. Okay, and I'm going to explain to you why this is not. Now, the type of aloe vera gel that is going to give you all the benefits that I just listed for you before is actually the main aloe vera gel. Now, because this is made to look like aloe vera gel and it contains aloe vera, does not make this aloe vera gel. This works for some people and this does not work for a whole lot of people. Now, to reap the full benefit of aloe vera gel, it is best to use the fresh aloe vera gel. That is the one you are going to use and you are going to reap the full benefit. But it is sometimes challenging to get the fresh one, and it is also challenging to store it because for you to actually have this as a routine, you cannot use the fresh one every day because it is hard to get and it is also hard to store the fresh one. That is why most people go for this one. But I am going to be showing you the right type of aloe vera gel, store-bought aloe vera gel to be buying. I am also going to be showing you what to look out for if you want to buy a store-bought aloe vera gel. Because to be honest, this thing I'm holding here, this is just like an essence. Okay, and that is the reason why you buy these things and they don't work for you, because a lot of these aloe vera gels that are store-bought are made with aloe vera powder. They are not made with the actual aloe vera gel, and that is why you are going to get it with the hope of getting the effect of using an aloe vera gel, but you're not going to get that effect. Now, if you look at the ingredients, check the aloe vera gel you have in your house. If you look at the ingredients list, you're going to see that the first ingredient list here is water. The second ingredient list here is glycerin. The third is propylene glycol. The fourth is carbomer. The fifth is another thing. The sixth is allantoin, and then the seventh is aloe vera extract. Now, there is no way this is going to be 99% aloe vera extract because aloe vera on its own is listed as the seventh ingredient on this list. Now, the things to look out for when you want to buy an aloe vera, a store-bought aloe vera gel, is that the aloe vera gel as an ingredient must be the first thing that is listed in the ingredient list. Number one, it should be stated that it is pure organic, okay, and it can never be cheap. This is sold for 1,500, 2,000, 2,500. Okay, and there is no way you can get a full processed fresh aloe vera gel in this form for that price. Okay, so that is why you get it diluted like this for it to be that price. So this one on the screen right here, this is a product of the US. It is pure organic. It is stated, okay, if you open up their site, it is purely stated that this is pure aloe vera gel. It doesn't have any alcohol, it doesn't have fragrances, it doesn't have any dyes, it doesn't have any color. Okay, it is purely organic. This is what you are going to buy, and you are going to be 100% sure that you are actually getting the pure aloe vera gel. Now, in the case where you can't get this particular product on the screen and you can't also get the fresh aloe vera, and you really want to use this, there's a way you are going to use this and you are still going to reap some of the benefits of using an aloe vera gel, because this, in as much as this is not 100% aloe vera gel, this has the characteristics of an aloe vera gel. You see, when I pressed it out, it looked like an actual aloe vera gel. Not exactly, but it looks like it. Okay, so this has the characteristics of an aloe vera gel, which is number one, it is hydrating. Okay, depending on how you use it, for someone that has serious oily skin, you can use this as a moisturizer and pass. You can use this for a mask and it's going to work. Now, if you're having sunburn and you just take this thing and apply on your face, it is not going to work for you like that. Do you understand? That's why you have been trying to use aloe vera gel for sunburn and it has not been working, because this is not pure aloe vera gel. That is why it's not going to work for you, because it doesn't have that antioxidant property that the real aloe vera gel contains. Okay, so you are going to need to mix this with something. You are going to need to mix it with honey. When you mix this with honey for the treatment of sunburn, apply it on your face as a mask, leave it on your face for some time, rinse it out. You are going to see almost instant healing on your sunburn. By the time you do it for a week, the sunburn is going to clear. Now, on the other hand, if you step out into the sun and come back and feel like your skin is very hot, you can use this, apply it on your face um as a prevention to sunburn. That's where you can use only this when the sun, that you are not seeing the effect of the sun on your skin, just that your skin is very hot. Then this can act as a coolant. If you apply it on your face, it is going to cool the temperature on your face and make that the burn not to like surface. You get me? Now, if you want to use this also for acne, if you're having acne and you want to use this, my best advice for you is not to use it and leave it. You are going to need to apply it on your face, leave it for some time and rinse it out. Because if you leave this on your face as someone that has sensitive skin, this might irritate your skin. So this is why a lot of you use it and you say it is irritating your skin. Some people will start using this, they will even start breaking out. So if you are that person, don't bother using this. Aloe vera gel is not your problem, but the fact that you are not using the main thing is the problem. Go and get a fresh aloe vera gel. A fresh aloe vera gel is suitable for all skin, no matter how sensitive your skin is. Fresh aloe vera gel is suitable for everybody. It can never irritate your skin unless you do not wash it well. Okay, so if this irritates your skin, please don't force yourself to use it, because this is not actually aloe vera. This should be called an essence. This is just like an essence. This is what you use as an essence to hydrate your face. Now, if you have a very dry face, you are suffering from dryness on your face, this can go, because this has water, this has glycerin in it, it has allantoin. These are things contained in essences to help to, put back hydration into your skin. So if you have dry skin, you can use this. Okay, now for those of you that have been using this and as you started using it, it started getting your face darker. Maybe you have been using it as a moisturizer. Someone said she has been using this as a moisturizer and it's getting her face dark. If you are that person, number one, stop using it. Number two, even if you want to use this as a moisturizer, it should not be in the daytime. If you want to use it as a moisturizer, use it at night. Use it at night. Don't use it in the daytime. After using it, then you go out. There is nothing in this thing really protecting your skin from environmental free radicals, from the sun and all of those things. You need to use this only at night, because that is when it is not going to have any serious effect on your skin. If you use this in the daytime and go out, you might still get sunburn. Your face will start getting darker because it is not protecting your face. Do not use it in the morning. Okay, use it at night. If really you want to use it at night. If you're on a budget and you're using this as your moisturizer, use it at night. Get something else to use in the morning. So this is how I have been able to use aloe vera gel on my face without any issues. I use it at night, number one. Okay, and if I want to use it in the morning, I apply it on my face, I leave it for some time, and then I rinse it out. Okay, so this is the best way to use this. But if really you want to get a true aloe vera gel, store bought, I have told you the things to look out for. No fragrances, no dyes, no alcohol. This one, if you perceive it, it smells like alcohol. Okay, so it shouldn't smell like that. It and the first ingredient listed should be aloe vera gel, and it should be stated that this is an organic product. This is an organic brand. Okay, and such products, you don't see it as mass product because it can't really be produced as mass product. This product on the screen here, this is a small family business and it's just on Amazon, I think. That's how it can be sold. All right, other than this, go and buy fresh aloe vera from the market and use extract the gel, put it in your fridge or your freezer, store it as long as it can be, use it, and you are going to reap all the benefits that I stated from the beginning of this video. So that's everything I have to share with you in today's video. If you have any questions, any concerns, let's have a conversation, and please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you have not, and I'm going to see you on our next one.